Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to blur a moving object in CapCut application. Alright guys, here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example, I'm going to blur this girl's face. So first of all, we can click on the clip, then we're going to duplicate this clip. Click on this duplicate option right here guys. Okay, then we're going to overlay the clips. We just need to click on overlay. All right, and we're going to adjust the position like this, and we're going to put mask to this clips. You just need to click on the clip, then click on the mask option. So this is the mask option. You have to click on it, then select the circle mask, and we're going to adjust the position of the mask and the size as well. So put the mask on the girl's face like this, then you can adjust the position and the size. Okay, and to make the mask follow the moving object, we're going to use keyframe. So this is the keyframe button. We can use it to make the mask follow the moving object. So click on the keyframe and adjust the position. You can do it one by one like this until the rest of the video. Okay. Okay, and I think it's done. Then we can go back and we're going to add blur effect to our video. We can click on the effect option and select the video effect, and we're going to search for the blur effect like this, and select the blur effect you want to apply to your video, and I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, then we can go back and we're going to make this effect align with the video, so you can drag it like this, and we're going to go to the mask again. We're going to invert the mask, so just click on this mask option and click on this invert option. Okay, and now it's done, and let's just take a look at the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can blur a moving object in CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.